Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming credentials and gateway availability so Refresh can actually reach data. Connect to your source in Power BI Desktop and enable query folding to make Refresh efficient. This reduces load and speeds up updates. Once connected, trim columns and filter rows at the source to minimize model size. Make sure to save and publish the report to the Power BI service so cloud refresh options become available. These preparatory actions prevent common refresh failures later. Once published, navigate to the dataset settings in the Power BI service and open Scheduled Refresh. This is where you define cadence and credentials. If sources are on-premises, install and register an on-premises data gateway, then test the gateway connection to ensure the service can access your data. Configure refresh frequency and time window, assign credentials under data source credentials, and enable failure notifications to receive alerts. These steps control when and how updates run without manual intervention. To complete the process, run a manual refresh in the service to validate the configuration, and then inspect the refresh history for any errors or duration spikes. If something fails, update credentials first, restart or update the gateway, and review query folding. Often optimizing queries or removing high cardinality columns fixes timeouts. Make sure to monitor subsequent scheduled runs and use Performance Analyzer or dataset metrics to identify slow visuals or steps, so future refreshes remain reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.